Did you know one simple kitchen spice could help support healthier, greener, and stronger plants naturally? Many gardeners spend money on expensive plant products without realizing that cloves may help improve plant growth in an easy and natural way. Here's how to make this simple, homemade plant booster. First, take a few whole cloves and blend them into a fine powder. Freshly ground cloves release natural oils and nutrients that can support healthier soil and stronger roots. Now add 1 teaspoon of clove powder into 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. As it soaks, natural compounds from the cloves mix into the water and may help support greener leaves, healthier roots, and better overall plant growth. The strong smell may also help discourage small harmful insects around the soil. Before using it, gently loosen the top layer of soil around your plants. Then slowly pour the mixture near the roots. You can use this on tomatoes, cucumbers, chilies, roses, flowering plants, indoor plants, and even young trees. Use this natural feed once every 15 days. Remember, only a small amount is needed because too much can stress the plant. Try this easy gardening trick and see the difference in your plants naturally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next gardening video.